Hello everyone, Link here, welcome back to the channel. So on another project that I'm working on, I need to make quite a large gear cog. So we come up with a pretty cool idea to do this, and I'm basically taking my pulley rim that I made in video number 1135 where we talked about power transmission. And what we're going to be doing is basically filling this up with some expanding foam, letting that expand and cure overnight, trim it down to the rim and give it a little bit of a sand so it's all nice and flat. And we can basically wrap a timing belt around this, and voila! That will give us our gear cog. Right, so let's get this filled with expanding foam. Once you've left your rim for a sufficient amount of time to expand and cure, what you could do is take a hacksaw blade and just cut off the excess that's left around the rim. Once you've done that, you can take a piece of sandpaper and just sand it flat. And like in Blue Peter fashion, here's one that I prepared earlier. And as you can see, this is actually really nice and flat against the rim. Just to make sure that our timing belt is going to be a nice fit, I've got a piece right here that I could just lay over the top. And as you can see, that is going to line up perfectly. So let's get the timing belt on. I've cut my timing belt to size and now it's time to stick it onto this rim. I'm just going to be using this Instant Bond Super Duper Glue stuff, which should do a nice job. And I've already cut it down to size. So here is the gear cog completely made up, and I have to admit, this thing does look awesome, and it was really easy to do. And we know it's going to be nice and square and true because it's on a bike rim. So there's no need to use these pillow bearings at all, because this is going to be used as an intermediate gear on my other project. So I'm just going to be using the bearings inside of this rim. And with that being said, that does bring me to the end of this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later.